At U.S. hospitals, it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl, has a name yet, or if their parents are citizens. If they are born here, they automatically get the title, benefits, and rights of an American citizen. It's been that way for a very long time, for more than 150 years. And the reason starts with this man, Dred Scott, a slave brought into a state that banned slavery. He sued to get his freedom, and eventually the U.S. Supreme Court ruled against him, saying people of African descent could never be U.S. citizens, a big reason why the Civil War happened. And when it was over, Congress passed and the states ratified the 14th Amendment. It's pretty plainly written. In part, it says, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. The vast majority of legal scholars believe President Donald Trump does not have the power to change the Constitution.
It would take an amendment to our Constitution to change birthright citizenship. That requires that 3/4 of the states agree and 2/3 of both the House and the Senate in the U.S. Congress. It's really difficult to achieve an amendment to the Constitution.
Trump often says the U.S. is the only country that has birthright citizenship. It is not.
There are 39 countries in the world right now that have some form of birthright citizenship. It's almost exclusive to the Western Hemisphere. There are a handful of countries outside the Western Hemisphere that offer birthright citizenship. But we've seen a lot of our Western allies in recent decades undo their birthright citizenship laws.
This next order relates to
Undoing it in the U.S. would mean changing the Constitution or getting the U.S. Supreme Court to overturn the precedent it set in 1898. But in the years it could take for the case to wind through the court system, it will send the message to the world, you are not welcome here. Critics say that might actually be the point. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.